Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing my annual What's in My Purse video for you guys. This has been a tradition of mine every January 1st since 2018. I think this is my 6th year doing it, if I did the math correctly. But yeah, I started it as just a random thing January 1st of 2018, and I've done it every single year since, and I'll probably never stop, because this video is super sentimental to me. I feel like I say this every What's in My Purse video that I do. But my original What's in My Purse video that I did in 2018 helped kickstart my YouTube career. And I think it helped me reach, I don't know if it was 100 or 1,000 subscribers, but it helped me reach a big milestone. And it's just very sentimental, it's nostalgic. Like, I love these videos so much, and I'm very grateful that I posted that video on January 1st, 2018. Yeah, it's just kind of like a little tribute I like to do every year. So this is gonna be really real and raw. I have so much stuff in this bag. It's kind of insane. I don't think I've ever done a What's in My Purse on a not only non-designer bag, but also a bag this big that has this much stuff in it. So it's gonna be really interesting. I've just been carrying this like crazy. I don't know why. Maybe it's because like I don't have to worry about getting it messed up. It holds a lot. It's just, I don't know. It's been my bag of the season for sure. So I'll have a link to this bag down below. If you guys see random fur throughout this video, it's my jacket. It like literally sheds like crazy, and I can see little fur speckles, fur, what's the word I'm looking for? Parcels going everywhere, and it's really annoying me. I'm gonna have to get through this fast because we got a lot of stuff. But this is from Anthropologie. It's just kind of like a knotted, braided material. I got it in black. It's got gold details, like a gold zipper, but nothing special, but I like her. She fits a lot. This is kind of like the bag that I use on a daily basis. I just have so many items in it, and then I can also fit like a smaller bag in here, or I'll take one of my smaller bags and fill it with stuff from this bag. So it's just kind of like a catch-all bag. It just has everything. First up, I have my keys. Nothing special. I've mentioned this in every What's in My Purse video I've ever done, I believe. Louis Vuitton key pouch. I just keep, what do I keep in here? My mailroom and door key. My keypad for my apartment is like digital, but just in case something happens with that and it stops working, I have a key. I have a key to my parents' house, my lake house, a random key, and a Sheets card. I don't know why. Then I just have my car key. I keep it simple nowadays. I used to not. I also have a protein bar. These are what I eat pretty much every day for breakfast. The Luna peppermint chocolate bar. I literally just got a new pack in from Amazon today. I'm obsessed with them. Like I said, I eat them every day. I've been doing that for a year now and haven't gotten tired of them yet. Knock on wood. And I always keep one in my purse just in case I'm like stuck in traffic or don't have time to run home and eat or something, like, and my blood sugar gets low or something. So love this. I also keep a pair of sunglasses. These are just my Louis Vuitton ones. Love these. I'll have them linked down below, obviously. I also have my wallet. This is the Chanel Quilted Caviar flat card holder or something. I don't know. I got this for Christmas a few years ago, but I just keep some cash, some coins, a bunch of, oh, I was like, what is this? This is a card to get coffee in my apartment building. They have like a cold brew station. Insurance, Venmo card, just random stuff, debit, a few credit cards. Yeah, I never use this wallet really ever because on my phone, I have my main credit card on the back and my ID. I always keep that on my phone, so those are not in my wallet. Therefore, I never really use this wallet, but I keep it just in case. I do have some hand sanitizer in here. I got this from Amazon in a pack of 3. It's really cool. You just squirt it like that. I like the size of it. Very nifty. I always need hand sanitizer on me because I'm a germaphobe. It's pretty bad. I also have some Glossier You perfume. This one's almost out. I also have one with the rest of my perfumes, but this one was almost out, so I decided to just throw this in my purse. Actually, no, I'm not gonna spray this, not yet. But this one smells really, really good. I like this one. I have a Tide to Go pen. This has come in handy plenty of times, especially for my friends as well. So, love that. I keep a big pack of gum. I usually just keep a hard case like this and refill it with smaller packs whenever this runs out. So keep that. This is all in the main section, by the way. I haven't gotten to the pockets yet. I have a YSL lip balm. This is like my go-to favorite lip balm ever. It's so glossy and perfect. Some Advil that I need to refill. Always need that. A digital camera to take pictures when I'm out with my friends. And the adapter for it. You put the SIM card in this and then it plugs into your phone. you're good to go. I got this off Amazon used, but I'll link a similar one down below. I think this one like is no longer made or anything, but I'll try and find it for you guys. It's really good. I love it. I also keep more hand sanitizer. This one's from Bath & Body Works. It's almost out. Clearly stocked up on hand sanitizer. I also keep some Mio in here. Whenever I go out to the bars, I always get a vodka soda. That is my go-to drink, vodka soda with lime. The trick is to put Mio in it because it's so good. You can't taste anything like, well, you can't taste the vodka. This is the cherry blackberry flavor, but honestly, I do prefer this one brand called Stir. It's like S-T-U-R. I get it from Publix, and it's got stevia in it, so I really like that. This one's just what I'm currently using. I'm trying to finish it off. I also keep a travel size of Baccarat Rouge. Oh no, I just realized something. I meant to switch this out the other day and throw this one away, but I accidentally threw the full one away because I know I switched it out. So I literally put the full one in my trash can. Gotta switch that out again. I just wasted $100. But yeah, this thing is heavy. Like, it's really heavy, but this is like my favorite perfume. So I keep that. That's it for the main compartment. And then in this back zipper pocket back here, I keep a Summer Fridays lip balm. This is the cherry one. I love this. My Rhode Peptide. Ew, what happened to the end? That's disgusting. Why does it look like that? It's like peeling off, but keep my Rhode in there. A wet wipe, some Benetint that probably needs to be thrown out, some Tarte Maracuja lip oil, Dior lip oil, and Jouer lip balm. I literally just keep so many lip products in that back pocket. And then in one of the front little compartments, I keep an eyelash spoolie. Again, this is probably something that needs to be thrown out. And then in this last compartment, hopefully you guys can see, I keep my medicine bag. I have Zofran, which is a lifesaver if you get nauseous. I get really bad heartburn. Sometimes it makes me nauseous, so keep that on me. And then I keep, I think it's called Pantoprazole. It's like a prescription I have for heartburn. Keep that on me, and I usually have Sudafed in here for like if I have a sinus infection or something. I don't go anywhere without this. I love it. I also have the Glossier Balm. Ooh, this looks old. That you like put it on your wrist. It's like the balm version of that perfume I showed you. And I keep some Listerine strips. And then I also keep an air tag in here just in case I lose my purse, which hopefully doesn't happen. That's everything that I have in here. It's a lot of stuff, but those are all my essentials. So guys, that is it for today's video. Like I said, I'll have all these items listed and linked in the description if you want to shop anything. I'll have my purse down there as well. Let me know your purse essentials in the comments down below so I can get them and put them in my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, click that bell, I put every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.